I'm about to shuck these oysters, but look at these big old oysters. We got to get them cleaned up first. First, we got to check them to see if they're closed. If they're open, you can't eat it raw. Let me see. See, like this one? It's already opened, so it's dead. You can't eat it. If you squeeze it and they don't bubble up or they don't open, then they're good. Sometimes they open up to breathe, but if you squeeze it and they don't close back up, then it's not good. So like this one, squeeze it a couple of times. Nope, it's dead. When you wash them, you want to make sure your water is cold, not hot, not warm, cold. Move it around. You could even get a scrub and scrub them. This is a clean toothbrush, okay? Now it's dirty because of the oysters, but it was clean. Brand new, out the package. Scrub it up. You're not going to be eating the shell or anything, but, you know, your lips do touch the shell.
The big one, no. On the big one.
The most important part that I want to scrub is the part where you're going to shuck, because a lot of dirt gets stuck right there. And then when you shuck it, it gets pushed into the oyster, and it's kind of nasty. So I just like to scrub this part the most. You see how this one is super dirty? Get all that dirt out.
Oh.
See? If you're going to buy a lot and you want to store them in the refrigerator, do not put them on ice. Just set them on something and put them in the refrigerator. Alright, so let's open this big, huge oyster compared to this little itty bitty one. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is hold it like this. You're going to want to poke in from this side. Carefully and slowly wedge it in there. And when you feel that it's in there, go ahead and stick it in there, twist. Ooh, it's very juicy. Alright. Ooh, it's falling apart. I don't know if this is a good oyster. We're going to check to see what the inside looks like. And if it looks safe to eat, I'm going to eat it. But this motherfucker is very, stubborn. Yeah, this is way too big. It looks very weird. Nope. It smells good, but I don't know. I'm kind of scared to eat this thing. I can't eat oysters this big. So this is going to be a no for me because I don't like when they look like this. When it crumbles like that, I can't. So we're just going to go with one of the little ones. The one that I feel comfortable with eating. Be very careful. There you go. See what I mean? There's no like yucky dirt right there. Just a little bit, but not a lot. Alright. Separate it. And here we have it. Clean off your knife. Scrape it, separate it from the shell. And we're going to set it to the side. This one's a little bit more bigger too. I forgot the name of these oysters, but they were bought from Whole Foods. I can look at the receipt and check out the name of them. I know it's like Blue Point Moon Dancers or something like that. But Whole Foods got the best oysters. There we go. So I've got two. I'm gonna have one right now, and my husband's gonna have one as well. I like to season it with a little bit of Old Bay. Tabasco sauce. And lemon juice. I made a little ginger, garlic, Thai chili pepper, avocado oil sauce to go with it. And then some more lemon juice. And you can have it this way.